In this video series, I will show you how to create a custom app for your startup business called the Entrepreneur Dashboard. This app will centralize your cap table, burn rate, business plans, and roadmap in a professional dashboard. Why do you need this app? Simple. It brings together the critical components of your business to manage your financials, business plan, and team in a centralized location instead of juggling multiple tools. Join me on this journey as we build the components that every startup needs to thrive. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Ready to dive in? Click the link below to the GitHub project. The README has everything you need to get started, and if you'd like to contribute, I'd love your help. Whether it's reporting bugs, suggesting features, writing code, or testing. I found myself juggling multiple apps and folders just to manage my startup, and it made it almost impossible to see the bigger picture. That's when I remembered the saying, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. So instead of adding more tools, I decided to streamline. I started with a single prompt in V0 to sketch the prototype, then moved into Cursor to build out the core features step by step. That prototype became the building blocks. I connected a database, integrated Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, and spreadsheets, and used Versal V0 to spin up the essentials. A landing page, sign-in and sign-up flow, a main dashboard, and all the core components. The final dashboard brought it all together. It now includes KPIs, quick actions, recent activity, and a clean navigation bar. To download the Entrepreneur Dashboard, start by opening Versus Code and navigating into your project folder with CD. Next, type git clone and paste in the HTTPS link from the GitHub code button. This will clone the project onto your machine, and it will appear as a folder called Entrepreneur Dashboard. Once the download is complete, open that folder in VS Code. Inside, you'll see all the files and directories that were automatically generated by V0. Now, open a new terminal window and type pnpm install. This command will download and configure all the libraries, packages, and frameworks you'll need for the project to run smoothly. To view the Entrepreneur Dashboard, go back to your terminal and type pnpm run dev. This will start up the development server and automatically open the app in your browser. By default, it usually runs on localhost 3000, where you'll be able to see the full dashboard live, complete with the landing page, sign-up page, and main dashboard. From here, you can explore all the features and start customizing it for your own business needs. Once you sign in, the dashboard opens to the overview page, where you'll get a snapshot of your business. From there, you can use the navigation panel on the side to dive deeper into the other features. Subscribe to the channel as we continue building this project, such as a login database, so users can sign in securely and store the data they enter into the dashboard. That way, everything you track in the app will be saved and ready the next time you log in. We'll also connect Microsoft OneDrive, allowing you to securely save, organize, and access your documents directly through the dashboard. This integration keeps all your business files in one central place. We'll be adding a cap table feature that tracks ownership across founders, investors, and team members. Add a burn rate feature that calculates how quickly your startup is spending cash, giving you a clear view of your financial runway. Organize legal documents, so all your contracts and agreements are securely stored in one central hub. That way, instead of digging through folders, you'll be able to access everything you need right from the dashboard. Create roadmaps, giving you a simple way to plan milestones, track progress, and visualize your startup's journey. With everything laid out in one place, it's easier to stay on track and keep your team aligned. Develop templates, giving you ready-made structures for business plans, client engagement letters, proposals, and reports. You'll be able to edit and view these templates directly in Markdown, making it simple to customize content while keeping everything clean and consistent. We'll integrate AI to help you draft, refine, and even suggest improvements to your templates once completed. The templates will be securely saved to OneDrive, so they're always organized and accessible whenever you need them. We'll also build a team management feature that makes it easy to assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress across your startup. The feature will include a form to add a title, description, person assigned the task, priority level, due date, and status. Rate sheet feature that helps you set and manage your service pricing. You'll be able to build professional-looking rate sheets for potential clients directly in the dashboard. Lastly, we'll add a GitHub repo page. This will let you connect directly to your repositories, view project status, and keep track of pull requests without leaving the app. It's a simple way to bring your code and your business management tools into one place.